The 4 reasons your hardwood flooring failed. Installing hardwood flooring is hard, and the last thing you should worry about after you install a beautiful floor is callbacks. Excess moisture is the biggest hidden problem in wood flooring. By knowing what issues to look for and how to prevent them, you can save your hard work and keep your customers happy. What causes wood flooring moisture problems? Water on or under the floor. Water left on the flooring can seep into the wood, causing it to swell. Spills or leaks can be common, but cleaning up the water quickly and thoroughly will save the wood. Water coming from under the floor is likely groundwater that is not being stopped by a vapor retarder. Humidity. If the wood began with a lower amount of moisture and then is introduced to a high humidity environment, that moisture will be absorbed, causing the wood to expand. The opposite is true, that if wood with a higher moisture content is introduced to a lower humidity area, the wood will shrink. Improper or no acclimation. Acclimating the wood is a must. Before the flooring is installed in a space, the wood needs to stabilize in an environment similar to where it will be installed. Acclimating the wood prevents future expansion or contraction after installation, so long as the conditions remain constant. Improper design or installation. Sometimes wood planks are installed with fasteners incorrectly, and this can restrict the natural movement of the wood during seasonal changes. This restriction keeps the wood from naturally expanding in humid months and contracting in arid months, which causes stress in the wood. Signs your hardwood has moisture problems. Moisture in wood is natural. It becomes a problem, however, where there is too much or too little moisture. Here are 4 visible signs of water damage. Cupping. If your wood planks have higher edges than centers, that's a symptom of cupping. Or, moisture is coming from below the wood, causing the bottom portion of the boards to expand. Crowning. When wood planks have higher centers than edges, that's called crowning. This can happen as a result of imbalanced moisture or from a mistake in repairing cupping. Cracks and separation. Seasonal changes throughout the year affect the moisture content in wood flooring. In homes that are heated during the winter, planks shrink. However, this appearance oftentimes resolves itself with a change in the seasons. Buckling. Buckling is an extreme form of moisture damage. This happens when wood separates from the subfloor and creates a small-scale hill or speed bump. How to prevent moisture damage from happening to your floor. Acclimate flooring. When flooring arrives, first let it stabilize in an area with conditions similar to where it will be installed. Use a moisture meter. Even after the wood is acclimated, continue to monitor the moisture content with a moisture meter. Use a vapor retarder to prevent moisture insertion. This prevents groundwater from seeping into the wood flooring. Use the recommended fasteners or float system. When installing the wood planks, use the correct amount of specific type of fasteners. Check the moisture condition of subfloors. Contractors should know the moisture conditions of the wood floor, as well as the subfloor. Visit wagnermeters.com to learn more about how you can prevent wood flooring failures.